How to solve an absolute value inequality. Isolate everything in the absolute value. So if there's a coefficient in front of the absolute value, if there's something added or subtracted to that absolute value, we want to algebraically move those numbers over to the other side of the equation, get the absolute value all by itself on one side. Next, we can write two equations, our positive case and our negative case. And remember, for the negative case, because it's an inequality, we have to reverse that inequality symbol. Now we'll solve each equation and sketch the solution on a number line. That helps us visualize what that number set is going to look like. And then finally, let's put that together and write our solution using interval notation. Let's look at a quick example. Solve the inequality and express the solution using interval notation. So as we look at this absolute value, the absolute value of 3k minus 6 is less than or equal to 6. Our absolute value is already isolated, so I don't need to worry about that. And here's something just to identify, because the inequality is a less than, that means my answer is going to be a single number set. On the other hand, if it were greater than, I would have a union of two number sets. So that's just something to look for and try to identify. So let's go ahead and write our two equations. So my positive case, I'll have 3k minus 6 is less than or equal to 6. And my negative case, I'll have 3k minus 6 greater than or equal to negative 6. Remember, I need to flip that inequality because I changed the negative over here. Now let's solve. Add 6 to both sides. So 3k less than or equal to 12. Divide that 3 over. K is less than or equal to 4. And let's solve our second equation. So same thing, add 6. So 3k greater than or equal to 0 in this case. Divide that 3. And k will be greater than or equal to 0. Of course, 0 divided by 3 is just 0. Now, let's just do a quick sketch and picture what's going on. So I've got 0 and I've got 4. Those are both included. Greater than 0, so this one's going that way. Less than 4, going that way. Oh, they're going toward one another. So this is what I was talking about. Our overall number set is just a sandwich right in between these two values. That helps visualize what it's going to look like in interval notation. And of course, our solution set is going to be 0, 4, including 0, 4.